schools, colleges, and coaching institutes to remain closed till August 31st, says MHA. Experts differ over focus on vocational education in schools. National Education Policy expands choice and empowers students' opinion. Tamil Nadu Class 11 Result 2020. How to check TN Board Plus 1 online. Explained ideas. Why it is too early to judge the National Education Policy. Tamil Nadu School Education Department issues guidelines for online classes. Good evening and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where you get to watch the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Janvi reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: schools, colleges, and coaching institutes to remain closed till August 31st, says MHA. Announcing new guidelines, the Home Ministry said schools, colleges, and coaching institutes will remain shut till August 31st. The decision has been taken after extensive consultations with states and union territories. MHA further said online or distance learning will continue to be permitted and will be encouraged. The intent on promoting teaching in the mother tongue till middle school and the focus on early childhood education in the new education policy are being seen as good steps for school education. However, there are differing views on the increased importance of vocational education at the school level. NEP defines nursery to class 2nd as pre-primary education, classes 3rd to 5th as primary, classes 6th to 8th as middle school, and classes 9th to 12th as secondary education. The National Education Policy for India has finally been presented to the public after much consultation. The democratization of the education conversation in itself is a victory, for it sets a precedent for policy making. NEP leads with 3 radical changes that will bring much needed reflex from the tunnel vision of restricted student potential. The first is the exit and re-entry of students in universities. We all live with uncertainty, but this should not be a reason to lose out on one's degree. Once the results are declared, students of class 11 and 12 who have appeared in the examination will be able to check their results online at the tnresult.nic.in and dgel.tn.nic.in and dge2.tn.nic.in. Explained ideas. Why it is too early to judge the National Education Policy. The National Education Policy lays down a roadmap for the next 2 decades, but as Kumkum Roy, Professor, Center for Historical Studies, GNU, argues in her opinion piece in the Indian Express, there are many reasons why this policy needs a close scrutiny, a full debate for what it says and what it doesn't. Keeping in view the health of students, the School Education Department in its guidelines for online education has restricted duration of classes to 30 to 45 minutes with a mandatory break of 10 to 15 minutes between each session, so students can give their eyes some rest. For students in classes 9th to 12, online classes may be undertaken for not more than 4 sessions of 30 to 45 minutes a day. School Education Secretary Dheeraj Kumar said in an order issued on Wednesday, only 2 sessions a day are allowed for students in classes 1 to 8. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.dnn.com. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Janavi.